Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to disable liquid glass feature on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, as you can see, iPhone has introduced their latest iOS 26 on iPhone devices. So it includes many features. So one of the features is the liquid glass feature. So it is a futuristic feature which follows the design of iPhone, the future iPhones are related to the liquid glass. So if you want to turn off and if you do not like it and you want to disable, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings. And in settings, you have to go to general. So in general, you have to simply click on transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to click on transfer or reset, and here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of the iOS 26 on your iPhone. So it includes a liquid glass feature. So if you want to enjoy any of the features, so you have to the update to the latest iOS 26 uh, on your iPhone. So, but if you do not want to use the liquid glass feature, because it's a default feature on the iPhone iOS 26, so you have to use it. But if you want to disable it, then there is no option available. But there is some tricks that can help you in a way. So you have to simply go to settings, and after that, we have to simply go to accessibility. So here you have to simply look for the motion, and here you have to make sure that you have turned on the reduced motion, because if you turn this on, then your liquid glass feature will work. So if you turn this off, then liquid glass feature will may not work so as written in the iOS 26 details. So you have to make sure about that. So if you do not want to use the liquid glass feature, so you have to simply turn off this feature. Otherwise, you can simply turn on and you can simply enjoy the liquid glass feature on your iPhone iOS 26. So liquid glass feature also includes the edit of the icon. So here you can simply see that the player icon options is also available. So you can simply change that. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.